Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of Euro JPY in front of us right now, and if we look at the chart here, just with a glimpse we can say that this market is in downtrend. There should not be any doubt, okay, that sellers are dominating this market. So, and if we look at the present chart also, the present chart also speaking the same story. This market is under the dominance of sellers. Okay. So we have the trend of the market in front of us. So the trend is down, and there is no doubt about it. And as you can see that I have got many lines drawn here on the chart, and if you have watched my other videos, then you know it pretty well that I am not a big fan of drawing many lines. I prefer to keep my chart clean. But I have got many lines here, so do not worry. I'll be explaining them one by one. So let's try to understand the chart first, then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Clear? Okay. So first of all, we have the trend of the market, which is very much bearish, and as we all know, the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market, which says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as this market is in downtrend, therefore, we will mainly be looking for shorting opportunities so that we can follow the trend of the market. So the second important point is area of value. Area of value means the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. In an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity is always near the support. Or in simple words, if a market is in uptrend, the best price, okay, the best price is always near the support. And if a market is in downtrend, then the best price is always near the resistance. And this market is in downtrend, therefore the best price, the best trading opportunity, the area of value will always be near the resistance only. So as you can see that I have got many lines here. So we have got few resistances also. Okay. First and foremost, let me talk or introduce you this trend line here. And if you have watched my previous videos, then you can recognize these few lines here. Okay, and if you are watching my videos for the first time, then I'll request you to draw these lines so that you do not miss any opportunity. You can understand the market better, and you can also do proper analysis. Okay, so if you look at the chart here, okay, if you look at the chart here, you can see that whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing resistance, and this trend line was acting as a strong resistance for the market. Generally dynamic resistance, the resistance lines like this do not act as a very strong ones. Okay, but this trend line is a very strong resistance for the market. So you must draw this trend line on your charting platform, because if market goes up from here, listen to me carefully, if market goes up from here, then you just observe when the market will hit or reach this trend line. If you see price struggling near the trend line, or if you see that price is finding it very difficult to go up, price is struggling, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this trend line is still acting as a valid resistance for the market, and you can short the market right away. You can short the market at the trend line. So that is your first trading opportunity. Keep in mind, first trading opportunity is shorting the market at the trend line. Okay, trend line TL. On the other hand, if market breaks also this trend line, then you'll get the next shorting opportunity at this black line. Okay, 130.50. 130.50 is also a very strong resistance for the market, because this level belongs to the weekly chart. Let me show you. This is the weekly chart of Euro JPY. And you can see that we have an R2 here, okay, and we have an R1 here. So we have got support and resistance levels on the weekly chart. Let me remove the drawings here so that you can understand better. And you can see that this level, okay, this level is acting as a resistance for the market on the weekly chart. And as we all know, weekly chart is a chart of the institutional traders, the big players. Therefore, the support and resistance levels for the weekly chart are extremely important. So we can hope that whenever market will be going up from here, market will face resistance at this level, 130.50 level, and we will get a good opportunity to short the market. I'm not saying that market will be reaching the 130.50 level by today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. In the future also, whenever market will be going up, it will be facing resistance at this level, and you will get a good opportunity to short the market. And that's why I'm requesting you to draw these lines so that you in the future also you do not miss the opportunities. And this is the main reason why I also explain everything in detail, so that after 1 month also you do not miss the opportunities. So you have understood this line. Okay, so on the downside also you can see that we have a support here, and again this is support for the weekly chart. Therefore this level is also very important. On the support level we have 127.40. so in case there is a sudden selling pressure or huge selling pressure on EURJPY, listen to me carefully. If there is a sudden selling pressure or huge selling pressure on EURJPY right now, we can expect that by 127.40 market will be having a market will get a good support and market will bounce. Okay, but again these two levels are quite far away from the current market price, so just mark the levels and just understand the importance of these levels. That's it. So what should be our strategy right now? The strategy is simple. Okay, right now you can see that market is standing above this line. Okay, this line is acting as a temporary support for the market, because right now market is trading in a downward channel here. So the upward line is the strong resistance line, and this downward channel is a temporary support for the market. Okay, this downward trend line is the temporary support for the market, and this market is under the dominance of sellers. Therefore I will not recommend a buy order here. Do not buy here, do not buy. In case market goes up and reverses from this trend line above, you can short the market. Okay. On the other hand, if you see, okay, if you see market going down again, if you find market going down again, crossing this trend line, okay, this trend line which is acting as a temporary support, then you can short the market again. Did you get my point? Okay, market is trading in a channel here, first line, second line, and right now market is standing above this line. So in case market breaks the line, okay, market breaks the line and goes down, then also you can short the market. Okay, then also you can short the market. Just keep in mind that you need to come out, or your take profit target will be this trend line, because if you zoom out the chart, then you can also draw a line here. So the things may be very complicated for you right now if you're a beginner, but my dear friend, I have tried my best to simplify the things for you so that you do not get confused. But yes, I also cannot say that the things are not very complicated. Yes, things have become complicated for EURJPY right now. Just understand, okay, short-term market here, short-term market at this trend line, at this resistance, and in case market crosses this trend line, then also you can short-term market. Okay, and your take profit target will be this trend line, which is the next support of the market. That's it. So hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.